Wag na, sa akin na lang. Huwag kayo magulo. Moment ko to, huwag ka magulo. Okay, moment ko to. Bago pala ako magsimula, para pala ito kay Vanessa. Kasi nabasta daw kanina.
Walang kadala-dala eh.
Walang kandala. Huwag sakta ng sarili.
Huwag daw sakta ng sarili, sabi. When you smile, everything's in place. Waited so long, can't make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Each by each one, moving closer. It's like a fairy tale. And take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Would have thought that a friendly end spinning round your atmosphere. I'll hold my breath, going into you. Break my fall and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. It's like a fairy tale. Ending, take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
Biglang ganun ay. Sigurado ka bang pangarap pa lang siya?
Di pa sa luto, may pag-asa manalo. Di tulad sa'yo, imposible. Prinsesa ka, ako'y dukha. Sa TV lang naman kasi may nangyayari. At kahit mahal kita, wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko aking sinta. Pwede na yun? G yun. Okay na po yan. Ayaw ko na. Pagod na ako.